Welcome to this biographical journey through the life and achievements of Nicolaus Copernicus, the Renaissance astronomer whose revolutionary ideas forever changed our understanding of the universe. Born in the late 15th century, Copernicus's work laid the foundation for modern astronomy, challenging the long-standing geocentric model and proposing a heliocentric system that placed the Sun at the center of our solar system. Early life and education. Nicolaus Copernicus was born on February 19, 1473, in the city of Toruń, in the Kingdom of Poland. He was the youngest of 4 children in a wealthy and influential family. His father, a merchant, died when Copernicus was about 10 years old, and he was subsequently raised by his maternal uncle, Lucas Watson Rode, who was a bishop in the Catholic Church. Under his uncle's guidance, Copernicus received an excellent education. He first attended the cathedral school at Biography, which provided a solid foundation in the liberal arts. In 1491, he enrolled at the University of Krakow, now Jagiellonian University, where he studied a wide array of subjects including mathematics, astronomy, and philosophy. Although he left Krakow without a degree, his time there sparked a lifelong interest in astronomy. Studies abroad and further education. In 1496, Copernicus went to Italy, a center of Renaissance learning, to continue his education. He enrolled at the University of Bologna, where he studied canon law, but he also pursued his passion for astronomy. It was here that he met the prominent astronomer Domenico Maria Novara, under whose mentorship Copernicus began making astronomical observations. In 1500, Copernicus traveled to Rome, where he furthered his studies in astronomy and mathematics. He then moved to the University of Padua, renowned for its medical school, to study medicine, a common practice for clerics at the time. In 1503, he obtained a doctorate in canon law from the University of Ferrara. Professional life and church career. Returning to Poland in 1503, Copernicus took up a position as a canon at the Fromberg Cathedral, a role arranged by his influential uncle. Despite his ecclesiastical duties, which included administrative and legal responsibilities, he found time to pursue his astronomical interests. He lived in Fromberg for most of his life, except for a brief period as an economic administrator for the bishopric of Warmia. The heliocentric theory. Copernicus's major work, De revolutionibus orbium coelestium, on the revolutions of the celestial spheres, marked a turning point in the history of astronomy. In this groundbreaking text, he proposed that the Earth and other planets revolve around the Sun. This heliocentric model was a radical departure from the geocentric model, which placed the Earth at the center of the universe and was widely accepted since the time of Ptolemy. The development of Copernicus's theory was gradual. By 1514, he had written a preliminary outline of his heliocentric ideas, known as the Commentariolus, Little Commentary, which he circulated among friends and colleagues. Over the next several decades, he meticulously refined his theory, compiling observations and mathematical calculations to support his model. Challenges and innovations. Copernicus's heliocentric theory faced several significant challenges. Firstly, it contradicted common sense and the apparent daily motion of the Sun and stars around the Earth. Secondly, it challenged the established teachings of the Catholic Church and the Aristotelian view of the cosmos, which had been integrated into Christian doctrine. Lastly, the lack of observable stellar parallax, a phenomenon where stars should appear to shift position as the Earth orbits the Sun, posed a significant objection to his theory. Despite these challenges, Copernicus's model offered a simpler explanation for the observed motions of celestial bodies, such as the retrograde motion of planets, which were more complex to explain under the geocentric model. His work laid the groundwork for future astronomers like Johannes Kepler and Galileo Galilei, who would build on and eventually provide more empirical support for the heliocentric theory. Publication and impact. Copernicus was initially reluctant to publish the revolutionibus, likely due to the controversial nature of its content. However, with encouragement from his close friends, especially the mathematician Georgios Copernicus, he agreed to publish the work. Tragically, Copernicus saw the first printed copy of his book on his deathbed. He passed away on May 24, 1543, in Fromberg. The revolutionibus gradually gained attention and sparked intense debate among scholars and theologians. Although it took several decades, the Copernican model eventually became a cornerstone of the scientific revolution. The heliocentric theory not only transformed astronomy but also had profound implications for philosophy, theology, and the human understanding of our place in the cosmos. Legacy. Nicolaus Copernicus's legacy is vast and enduring. His heliocentric model fundamentally altered the course of scientific thought and paved the way for modern astronomy. By challenging the prevailing geocentric worldview, he inspired future generations of scientists to question established doctrines and seek evidence-based understanding of the natural world. Copernicus's work exemplifies the spirit of the Renaissance, a period characterized by a renewed interest in science, art, and intellectual inquiry. His contributions to astronomy extended beyond his heliocentric theory. He almost made significant advances in observational techniques and astronomical instruments. Conclusion. Nicolaus Copernicus stands as a towering figure in the history of science. His revolutionary ideas broke the chains of conventional thinking and set humanity on a path towards a more accurate understanding of the universe. Copernicus's life and work remind us of the power of curiosity, perseverance, and the courage to challenge the status quo. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we owe much to this visionary astronomer whose legacy continues to inspire and guide us. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life and legacy of Nicolaus Copernicus. We hope you enjoyed learning about this remarkable figure whose contributions to science have left an indelible mark on history. Stay tuned for more fascinating biographies and explorations of the great minds who have shaped our world.